What if you could create an entire visual story, not just one image, from a single prompt? A world where every character stays consistent, every scene connects seamlessly, and every frame feels like part of a movie. Okay, I need to show you something that's about to change everything in AI image generation. For months, we've been stuck with the same problem: character consistency. Nano Banana can't do it. It fails to maintain the same character flow and background. See Dream? Fails every time. The images just don't feel alive. But this new tool just dropped, and I'm not overstating when I say it's the Nano Banana killer. Meet Higgsfield Popcorn, the new gold standard in AI storytelling and image editing. It's the AI tool that can turn one image and one prompt into a complete 8-frame storyboard with perfect character consistency. We're talking Hollywood-level storytelling with full creative control. With Higgsfield Popcorn, the entire AI content creation process has changed. All you need is a single image, and it takes care of the rest. Popcorn understands context. It knows your characters, your setting, your story, and then builds different scenes according to your style and preferences, all while keeping every detail perfectly consistent. It's developed by Higsfield, one of the fastest-growing Gen AI companies in the world. And if you've been following my channel, you already know how much I love creating with Higgsfield AI. This tool isn't just smart. It's creative, cinematic, and unbelievably powerful. In this video, I'll show you how Higgsfield Popcorn delivers better multi-frame storytelling with flawless consistency. Head over to the official Higgsfield website, where you'll discover a suite of next-generation AI tools built for creators. Select the Popcorn tool. It's designed for cinematic, multi-image storytelling that keeps your characters and scenes perfectly consistent. In the prompt section, switch to manual mode. Here, you can upload up to 4 reference images of your main character or setting. Next, simply describe the scene you want to create, what's happening, where it's happening, and the overall mood or visual style. In the results, you can choose how many outputs you want with a maximum of 8. Next is the aspect ratio. You can choose different aspect ratios for your images to perfectly match the style or format you want. Next, switch to auto mode. Here, you can also upload up to 4 images for your storytelling. Below that, enter your prompt, describing the location, characters, vibe, and anything else you want to include for the perfect output. Now, let's create an image using auto mode and see how Higgsfield Popcorn makes the character look so real, while maintaining perfect consistency. Click the plus icon to add your character image. Then upload any additional images you want to include in your story. You can add up to 2 more images, but for now, I'll go with just these 2. Below the images, enter your image prompt. I'm using a simple prompt, but you can write your own to customize the results. Now, click Results and choose how many images you want for your story. I'm keeping it at 4. Next, select the aspect ratio for your images. I'm going with 16:9. Once everything is set, click Generate, and in just a few moments you'll have your images ready. Wow! Just look at these images. The character looks incredibly real, with perfect consistency across every scene. The AI has followed the prompt perfectly, keeping the location, mood, and vibe exactly as described. Every frame is cinematic and cohesive, maintaining the same style, lighting, and character details, exactly what makes Higgsfield Popcorn stand out from other tools. This advanced AI understands your context and instantly generates new images that follow your exact instructions, maintaining flawless character, lighting, and style consistency across every frame. Now, let's switch to manual mode to create storytelling images with full control over each scene. Now, switch to manual mode and upload the image you want to turn into a Hollywood movie-style scene. After uploading, describe exactly what you want the AI to do. For example, create a specific scene, combine 2 images into 1 frame, or add any other details you want. Next, select the number of images you want and choose the aspect ratio for your output. Finally, click Generate, and in just a few seconds, your images will come to life, perfectly following your instructions. The images have been successfully created, and they've maintained character consistency beautifully. If you're not fully satisfied with your results, there's also an edit option that lets you refine the images to perfection. But honestly, if you use a clear and well-crafted prompt, you'll rarely need to make any edits. The AI gets it right the first time. For your next scene, you can use the Use in Prompt option to continue the story with the same characters and style. If you'd like to make adjustments, simply click Edit Image to refine your visuals. And here's the best part. You can even turn your images into videos using the Animation option, bringing your story fully to life. Click on the Animation option. You can also include an ending scene if you want to complete your story. Then add your video prompt. After that, select the AI model you want to use for video generation. Here, you'll find almost all the popular image-to-video tools available. It's honestly quite impressive. You can choose any model you like. Sora 2 is a great option for realistic results, but for this demo, I'm going with WAN. Now, click Generate, and in just a few seconds, your video will be ready, complete with background sound and smooth, cinematic motion. As you can see, there are tons of options to customize and generate your video exactly how you want it. Higgsfield Popcorn truly feels limitless. Every feature is more impressive than the last. The possibilities here are simply unbelievable. You can also create face swaps, real image to consistent character animations, image to image generations, and so much more. Higgsfield Popcorn isn't just a storytelling tool. It's a complete creative powerhouse with endless possibilities for artists, filmmakers, and content creators. So what are you waiting for now? Sign up with Higgsfield AI using the link below and try it out for yourself. Trust me, you'll never look at image generation the same way again. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep creating.